The figures, I mean, I appreciate Mr. Anjan's decision to say that he claims the monopoly of virtuousness despite the fact that the people are not with him. But this poll, which was done between March 20th and 24th, may on counting day appear somewhat conservative, because as we see the trends emerging, it seems that Mamata Banerjee is actually increasing her lead. One stray indication of that is the fact that Mr. Buddhadev Bhattacharya, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, the leader of the CPM, has been more or less grounded in his Jadavpur constituency. Now, Jadavpur constituency, if we were to describe it, has been a bastion of everything that the CPM has ever stood for. That this man has been grounded for 5 days, campaigning at every nook and corner of that constituency, suggests that in this entire belt, about 100-125 seats surrounding Calcutta, it may be difficult for the CPM to actually reach double figures. The CPM's hope basically rests on the fact that it can get more of those outlying seats, which is the border, which is sort of Purulia, Bankura, Western Midnapur, what can be called the sort of border of Bengal with the other states. So it's really in those areas that the CPM still has a fighting chance. But in most of the heartland of Bengal, including in Burdwan, which again was the CPM at one time used to win every single seat in Burdwan district, it's beleaguered in those constituencies. So I get a feeling that in the end, this figure may turn out to be somewhat conservative. In 2009, there was a belief that whatever happens, the left couldn't be defeated. The results proved that the left could be defeated. I think that's really emboldened a lot of people to actually vote against the left, because out of a feeling of staleness, if nothing else. That we need a change. These people have been there for too long. Sometimes the electorate can be very bloody-minded in its decision to punish politicians. And I think the left may be at the receiving end of this.
Okay, you're saying that people are just fed up with the left. I have one final question for Dinesh Trivedi before we end this show, Mr. Trivedi. We saw Atul Anjan level serious allegations about the sudden emergence of Amit Mitra. You said a professional is being brought in. He says that this is really a conspiracy by the corporates to try and make inroads. You want to respond to that allegation, sir?
Well, I don't think so. I need to respond to, because that's so baseless, and I am sorry for Atul Anjan's ignorance. Amit Mitra comes from a very well-renowned political family of West Bengal, and Amit Mitra is basically a professional. And that is what Mamata Banerjee and people of West Bengal, and leave it to the people of West Bengal. He comes from a very reputed family, political family in West Bengal. Rahul, I must say that usually tsunami takes away lives. This is a political tsunami in West Bengal, which is going to give a new lease of life to the people of West Bengal. And I think Atul Anjan should take the defeat gracefully and not disturb me while I am talking. Because now nobody is listening to the left and the CPM.
Indian captains of industry are with you with their money bags. You should be very happy that you are using the money bag. You should be happy that your MP has been caught red-handed on the airport. That is not the thing, Dinesh bhai. That you must accept. You are talking about democracy.
Well, the fact is, Atul, you must take your defeat very gracefully. Now that you are losing, उसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना कि खिसियाई बिल्ली खंबा नोचे. I don't think so. I would like to join issues with you, because people of West Bengal are not listening to you. Please go home, take the defeat in the stride, and do some introspection, and please take the mandate of the people. You have said enough. For 33 years, you have ruined the state of West Bengal. You have ruined the lives of the people of West Bengal. Now it is time for you to go home, rest in peace, and please understand, regret and do some penance. And the kind of damage you have done to mankind in West Bengal,